Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Balance.
What does the dictionary say?
A state of equilibrium or equipoise. Equal distribution of weight, amount, etc.
Math rap.
A state of equilibrium is a special dance equal distribution of amount or weight and balance when two sides share the quality of having the same mass or quantity.
Math rap.
Explain balance in your own words. How long can you balance a book on your head? I have a scale. On one side there are 10 bricks. On the other side there are 6 bricks. There is no balance. Without adding bricks into the mix, how can I balance the scale on both sides? Create your own unbalanced scenario, but instead of bricks, use dogs. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!